Hi guys, and welcome back to the Craftermath. So this is for Pretty Paper Things on Instagram. She's having a giveaway and you have to make an embellishment box. By the time you see this, it'll probably be too late to enter. I was lagging on getting it done just because I have a lot of like personal stuff this week to deal with, and crafty stuff kind of got put back on the back burner. But anyway, this is what I made, this embellishment box, and I felt like this was an AliExpress brought to you by AliExpress type of video. Like everything I was using was from either Hobby Lobby or AliExpress. So this gorgeous ruffle trim right here is from AliExpress. It comes in different colors. I finally got around to using it. And then I used this pretty like iridescent paper that's what's clearanced out at Michael's. It came in like a paper pad of like 5 pieces. I put some Hobby Lobby gems on the corner. I was going to go all the way around. I was like, you know what? I kind of like seeing some of the stuff peep out from the front. Then this unicorn paper from a Michael or a DCWV. I think it's from Joann's paper pad with the unicorns on it. And then I just made that a shaker with some tulle. And then oh my gosh. So this is probably the most dimensional that I will ever get in layering. I can't do it. This little heart was actually from a box I got from a crafty meetup literally the other day. I just took the box part off, so I used the heart as the background piece. And then this little die cut, I won these. Gathering Jewels on Instagram had like a giveaway like last year, so I'm using the little die cuts. So it's a little castle. And then this little unicorn right here, this is from the Hobby Lobby when they went on clearance. A little gemmy eye. These little plastic, like, I can't really shake that part, but it's a shaker acrylic rainbow, and these are from AliExpress, and I can't believe that I covered it up. I was in shock. And then I saw these from Hobby Lobby. They're new this year, the pastel unicorn stuff, and this Make Magic was that, so make your own magic. This ice cream cone, which I tucked away in the back. I'm very proud of myself that I covered it. You know, it's hard to cover. Look at $4.99, even though I got it on sale. And then a little acetate cloud and star right here. Layered that behind there as well. Oh my gosh. Can't believe I covered that stuff. And then over here is a little tassel. See if I can get up close and personal. This flower is gifted in an embellishment box. And then these trims. This heart trim, so cute. Christina, KG Crafts is selling it now. Trimmy trim. And then this rainbow pastel one is from Hobby Lobby. And then a couple of like eyelash trims are on there. This little unicorn ornament is from the Christmas ornaments that are clearance at Walmart. I knew I'd use them. Then these little charms, these are from AliExpress. I just recently hauled these like ball ones. And then look at tiny little unicorn on there. And then this jump ring set is from Alina Craft on AliExpress. So let me show you. Oh my gosh, I was going to add flowers because I was really inspired by Lori, who's creating for fun. She's been making the cutest little embellishment boxes. And I'm like, help, where do I stick the flowers? So the flowers just got left off of this particular box. So I was debating whether or not to put something right there. So let me zoom in, aka move my camera closer. So in here I made a little sequins mix right here with some flowers that were gifted to me in an embellishment box. And this one, look how cute is this little resin rainbow from AliExpress with these little bows, AliExpress. And then unicorn charms also from AliExpress. This is why I was laughing saying, brought to you by AliExpress. These little paper clips, there's 2 different sizes of the pink and then the gold glitter. Those are from Hobby Lobby clearance. Bows, AliExpress. Pom-poms you can get at like Dollar Tree and stuff. All these little resin flowers are from Hobby Lobby, and then AliExpress. All these bows in all the different colors, like little plastic bows, are AliExpress. These cute little ice cream cones I felt went with like the pastel, because it had to be a pastel box. So I did pastel, but I did rainbow. I mean, not rainbow, unicorn. And then over here I have these jimmies. So pretty, AliExpress. And these little hearts, also AliExpress. This trim is from Melina Craft on AliExpress. It's just stars. And then also these little puffy hearts. So cute. These are also AliExpress for the win, you guys. So it's a perfect little pastel unicorn themed, even though it didn't have to be unicorn, embellishment box. That is my project share for today, and I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye, guys.